just because you have a tiny space doesn't mean that you can't make it what you would want if you had a home. Also, you know, I've lost 60 pounds this last year.
That's amazing.
So not only is this lifestyle healthy emotionally, physically, it's been very healthy for me as well.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to meet Gracie. Hi Gracie.
Hi Bob.
In an incredibly beautiful Ram ProMaster. And the ProMasters are so huge, they're just amazing.
When I was doing my, figuring out what I was going to do when I retired back in 2017, I test drove Ram ProMasters and test drove the Ford, and I just liked Rams so much better. Now I have Fannie Mae.
Fannie Mae, that's a nice name. And so how long have you been on the road then?
So I left Portland July 11th of 22. So I've been full-time on the road since then. This is my second year in Quartzsite and I love it.
Yeah.
I love coming here. I lived most of my adult life in Portland, Oregon, and you know the Pacific Northwest, doom and gloom, and oh man, by March I'd be so depressed.
Yeah.
2 years in a row, I'm like so happy.
Yeah, yeah. How are you supporting yourself here?
So I retired from the Portland VA. I was a nurse up there for 22 years. So I have my government pension and I took my Social Security at 63.
So what was your motivation? Why did you decide, well, I need to live in a van?
Well, I had decided back in 2017, I knew I was going to be retiring. And I'm like, oh, I do not want to stay home. That was like a death sentence to me. I got to be on the road. So I went to YouTube, started exploring, found your channel, and then the first person I really started watching was Box Van D, and we're good friends now today. Just love that lady. Found the community, and I knew that's what I want to do. I want to travel. I want to be on the road, going someplace different every couple of weeks, because you know I was so structured, kids. Job. It was time for me.
So did you keep your house then?
I sold my house and that paid for everything that you see here plus. I love Portland, but I don't want to be there.
So this is a really exceptional nice netting here.
My Christmas present to myself this year, and Midwest Van Builders, this is who built it out, Johnny from Johnny's Journey. Custom build, I mean, I've known her for about 5 years, so she knows my personality, and she put some things into Fannie Mae that I never even thought of, and I love it.
Good, good. Well, let's go inside and check it out. Boy, this is just really a beautiful van. She did a really, really nice job.
I wanted an open concept, so I did not want cabinets on the walls. I wanted a closet, because I like to wear dresses and skirts, so I have a lovely closet. And then up here is where I keep all my laundry material and shower stuff. And I got an awesome IsoTherm refrigerator that is plenty big enough.
Wow, that is a big fridge, yeah. And freezer.
And freezer.
Is that 12 volt?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And it runs on AC or DC power. Mm-hmm. My dresser holds, like everybody needs to have a junk drawer, so that's mine. And then I've got my food, some food and medicines and just coffee nook right here. And then this is where I keep a lot of my foods. Mm-hmm. And in that drawer, I've got electronics.
It looks like you like sunglasses.
Well, what would give you that idea, Bob?
Just a whole rack of them.
I don't know. Look at all those sunglasses. I have a little bit of a fetish for sunglasses. And so this was something that Johnny created for me as a surprise. A place to display all my sunglasses, and I can leave them here when I travel, and they stay there. This is just a little bedside table. I've got my toiletries underneath the drawer, just slides open. So I got my wipes and my toilet paper down there. Put my drinking cup right here at nighttime. And the throne.
Oh, yes. You have to have that.
The Ogo. Love this.
What
love.
exactly is it? I'm unfamiliar with it.
Ogo, OGO Composting Toilet.
Oh, composting toilet.
Yep. And so the urine and the water from the sink all go together in the gray tank. And then when I'm in the appropriate place, I just push a button and the valve opens up and I just, you know, empty out my gray tank.
Boy, I love this, all the nice, beautiful wood she's got in here.
I know. I want it to feel like a cabin. I got this little letter at a Habitat for Humanity last year.
Oh, wow.
And I'm like, I really want to incorporate that in my van. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, but look, there it is. So yeah, I love purple, so I had to have my purple bedspread, and I love bling, so I wanted something that was going to be pretty. When I got into the van, Johnny says, I have another surprise for you. I'm like, okay, what is it? And she opened up this drawer, and she goes, well, this is your desk.
Oh, wow.
And it just comes out like this, and I love the color. I love the color. And so I have all my supplies, and she got me this cool coloring book here. So this is my latest picture.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what I do when I have downtime. I'm not at meetups and I just want to chill and listen to music. I get out my colors and I color. And this is my clothes. And this is my step to get up in bed.
Oh,
and
good idea.
my dirty laundry. So there's
Good.
my
Hanging
closet.
clothes. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Now I got these. Okay, women. Okay, I found this on Amazon. It's one hanger, but with multiple little hangers, and so you just layer your clothes onto one hanger,
Nice.
and you can have more. So this actually is what holds the refrigerator to the wall.
Uh-huh.
This is drilled into this, and then this is drilled into the wall. And so it's awesome because I've got this nice shelf up here. And then I've got my Omnia Oven, and then I have my electric cooker. Yeah. So if I'm plugged in, I can use that. I have my one burner stove right here that I keep right here. And then I keep my extra shoes back there. I have 600 watts of solar on top.
Oh, that's a good amount.
Yeah. And this is one, I love stained glass. And so this right here, I ordered this off of Etsy. We painted it, and then it's real pretty in the morning. You can't really see how pretty it is during the daytime. But in the morning, I turn it on when I first wake up, and it's just a nice little glow. My Moroccan lamps.
Wow, those are beautiful too.
I got those off of Etsy from Morocco, handmade. Just because you have a tiny space doesn't mean that you can't, you know, make it what you would want if you had a home.
So you got a nice sink here.
I have my nice little farm sink. It was really important to me to have a nice little farm sink. I love I just love the look of it. It's so clean.
And how do you shower?
So, Planet Fitness.
Uh-huh.
Or I just discovered at the Quartzsite Beauty Salon, you can take a shower there for $5.
Pretty amazing.
I'm just like, I'm in. The water tank, I have a 30-gallon water tank, and it has a special adapter to where I can plug in a hose, and I can shower, rinse off, wash off Jacques or whatever. This is another seating area, and then this is all of Jacques stuff mainly in here. And then I have a EcoFlow. That's my AC and heating. And Johnny built me a special board that fits right into the window with the hole. I tried the AC. It works beautifully. So if I need that, I have the best of both worlds right in that little unit. This is Jacques' spot. They came up with a fantastic idea, making a board that would fit right into the dash. Nice solid piece of wood here, and it takes the weight off the seat so it doesn't trip the seat belt. I have Jacques' pillow, and he rides in style just like this. This seat does swivel. And then this is my privacy curtain. Who knew when I made this blanket, this is what it would be used for?
Boy, it's beautiful.
but it's my privacy curtain. So I also have a Starlink. That's how I stay connected. I love my Starlink. It's absolutely fabulous. So here's my AC300. And I have storage that goes here back to the back of the clothes drawers there that you can see. And then on this side, I mean, you can see I have storage that goes all the way to the closet. And then there's my water tank is right down there. But here's this what I was talking about. I have this little adapter right there, hose that plugs in, and I can turn it on and water will come out.
Oh, right.
I haven't ever tried it yet, but I have faith that it will work. And then I have tons of storage over on this side too that goes all the way back to the nightstand. I'm very, very happy with it. I pinch myself sometimes thinking, oh my God, I am living my dream. Absolutely living my dream.
Yeah. Yeah,
In
it's
style.
great life.
In style.
And yeah, and you made it yours. It's beautiful. It's just amazing.
I just want to say for all those women out there who are on the fence about what they want to do when they retire, whether you're single, divorced, widowed, whatever, just take baby steps. That's what I did, you know. And, you know, I grew up camping and everything and took my kids camping and my grandkids camping. But so I knew that I wanted to be outdoors. Just make a little plan or join groups, you know, like Sister on the Fly. It's a wonderful group for women that get together and camp. There's so many groups out there. If somebody wants to, you know, HOWA with your organization has a lot of groups for women.
Yes.
Don't put it off because I'm telling you, it's awesome out here. I mean, I have my home. I can go wherever I want. You know, I am looking at having my right knee replaced within 5 years. So, you know, I'll figure that out. I'll have to lay up somewhere. I don't think
That's what kids are for.
Right. That's right, Bob. Also, you know, I've lost 60 pounds this last
Oh, wow.
year.
That's amazing.
So not only is this lifestyle healthy emotionally, physically, it's been very healthy for me as well.
So do you have any social media about meetups or whatever else you do?
So I have a website, PNW, Pacific Northwest, PNW, nomadmeetups.com, and also on my Facebook page, which is Gracie Elaine Wall, W-A-L-L, and then you can go to my Facebook page and find the Oregon meetups. And then Instagram, Gracie58, and then my YouTube channel, Gracie and Jacques Adventures.
Well, Gracie, thank you so much for sharing your gorgeous, gorgeous home.
Thank you for being the inspiration, Bob. I mean, it was truly, I stumbled across, you know, CheapRVliving, started watching the videos, and I'm like, I can do that. I can do that. I want to do that.
That's what I have the whole channel around.
I am doing
Yeah.
it. I am doing it, and I couldn't be happier.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing your home and your life with us. It's very generous of you.
Thank you, Bob.
So folks, if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.
See you down the road.